Hey guys, my name is Adara and in addition to being a fifth year senior at UNI, I'm also a member of the softball team. Through UNI Athletics, I've had lots of opportunities to learn about race and embrace my own heritage as a Latina. I became a minority leader on campus, but especially in athletics. I wanted to share one event that we as minority student athletes put together this past month. I think it's something that a lot of schools can do, and it doesn't necessarily have to be related to athletics or any sort of organization specifically. So we invited all of UNI campus and even the Cedar Valley community to come to our event, and my family even made the effort of coming to participate as well. So we called the event a Unity Walk. We as student athletes led a silent walk through campus in recognition of the social injustices that we continue to see every day between Black Lives Matter, police brutality, and COVID-19. Hundreds of people came to the event, and we had student athletes, including myself, speak and share their stories. So for student athletes of color, this event was a big deal. Our athletic director canceled all practices to ensure that there were no excuses for not being able to make the event. In addition, student athletes spoke in front of their peers and shared their personal stories. We all had matching t-shirts, and our goal was to unify as a UNI community despite whatever differences we may have. It was all about coming together, embracing one another as people. And this is definitely an event that any group or school can emulate. I would say that it would be important to pick a good time and try to pick the nicest of weather, along with making sure that we're being socially distant and requiring masks. It's all about coming together in a peaceful way and showing the world where you stand on these issues. And along with that, showing people that you are an ally. So try to bring as many people together for the goal of uniting together. It was really a great experience for people to share their stories and share their support for their peers. And if you have any more questions on planning an event like this or would like any further information, please feel free to reach out to me. And